morning students, welcome to you all 12th standard accountancy. In this video, we are going to discuss unit 7 company accounts, sum number 5. Lalita Limited offered 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each to the public payable rupees 2 per share on the application, 3 rupees on share allotment on the balance when required. So for this statement, so what should I understand here? When the balance when required, that means when it is necessary only the company will call you. Okay, this is the meaning. Then application of 50,000 shares were received on which the directors allotted. So applicants for 10,000 shares are allotted fully. The remaining applications for 35,000 shares. The 20,000 shares excess money will be utilized for allotment. Then application for 5,000 shares nil. That means no shares are allotted. So all the money due receipt. Pass the journal entries up to the receipt of allotment. That means what should answer here? Only for two stages, application and allotment. Okay. So we are going to prepare the journal entries in the books of Lalita Limited. Lalita Limited journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, debit and the credit. Okay, so first entry for application, bank account data to equity share application. Bank account data to equity share application. B, application money received. Application money received. So what is the amount? So the company issued the 50,000 shares. Company issued 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares into application value is 2 rupees. So 50,000 into 2 rupees, 1 lakh. Next entry, the equity share application money is transferred to the share capital. So equity share application account data to equity share capital. Equity share capital being application money transferred to share capital. Share capital. What is the amount? So what is the amount means 30,000 shares. So issued the 30,000 shares only. 30,000 shares. The Lalita company offered only 30,000 shares. So the 30,000 shares only transferred to the share capital. So the amount 2 rupees. So 30,000 into 2 rupees, 60,000. Okay. So third entry. So first entry, application money is received, and the second entry, the application money is transferred to the share capital. And third one, if the shares are allotment, so the money received means should be refunded honestly. Okay, so the shares are allotment. So the 5,000 shares are not allotted, so we have to refund the money. So third entry, so first entry reverse. So what is the first entry? Bank, the application money received means bank account to share application. So refund means share application account data to bank account. So share application account data, equity share application, equity share application account data to equity share, to bank account being money refunded. So what is the shares? 5,000 shares. 5,000 shares into 2 rupees, 10,000. The next one, the excess application money will be utilized for allotment. So the remaining application for 35,000 shares, only the 20,000 shares only allotted. The excess money will utilize for the allotment. So we have to write the entry. So next entry, equity share application account data to equity share application account data to equity share allotment. So what is the excess amount? So the excess amount will utilize for the allotment being excess money utilized for allotment. So what is the excess amount? 15,000 shares. So 15,000 shares into 2 rupees, 30,000. So first entry for application received, second entry the application money is transferred to the share capital, third entry money refunded entry. So 5,000 shares are not allotted, so the money you have to refund. So share application account to bank, 5,000 into 2 rupees, 10,000. Then next entry, the excess application money is utilized for with allotment. So equity share application account to share allotment. So excess application 15,000 into 2 rupees, 30,000. So next entry for allotment. So share allotment rupees is 3 rupees. So we have to write on the entry equity share allotment account data. Equity share allotment account data to share capital being allotment money is due. Okay, so what is the amount? So 30,000 shares into allotment rupees 3 rupees, 30,000 into 3 rupees, 90,000. So next entry, bank account data to equity share allotment. Equity share allotment being equity share allotment bank account to equity share allotment. Equity share allotment being allotment money received. So what is the amount means? So already the excess application is utilized for utilized in the share application allotment. So share application account to share allotment 30,000. Then allotment money due is 90,000. So 90,000 minus 30,000, 60,000. So So I hope you all understood the sum. Understood this sum. Thank you.